Hi everyone. In this video we will go over how to tackle question number 6 because some have received an error, and in this video we will show how to fix that error. So the first thing, let's create this query from scratch, and then throughout the solution we will figure out what was the error and what was the cause of that error and how to mitigate that. So first thing is to identify the tables that we need and also the fields that we need. So we need to identify first the fields, and then based on the fields we will be able to identify the tables that we need by looking at the relationships schema. So let's look at the first. So it's asking us to create departures board, and so the departure will be by looking at the code origin, because the code origin will refer to the departure airport and the code destination refers to the arrival airport. So we are interested in the code origin. So it's asking us to restrict the departure to only OKC airport and also only to the morning flights. So the time of the flight, also the departure time, is also in the flight table, and we need to restrict it to only morning ones, less than 12 p.m. And then also the date of departure, or the date, will be also, we will be able to identify it or retrieve it from the flight on day. So now we identified two tables so far. Now the flight number, also we can find it here in the flight, and the destination name. So now this is where the error came for some of you. So the destination name, which is asking us to use the city long name. So the destination city long name is in the airport, and we will show how we can mitigate this error. And then the scheduled time of departure, which is here, we will add that also to the query, and there the aircraft type, which is the AC name, we can get it also from here, from the ACD type table. So, and then we can sort it from earliest to the farthest. So let's start by creating this query. So now the tables that we are interested in, the ACT type, and then I will keep the airport until the end. So the flight and the flight on day. And now the trick will be for the airport. So for the airport I will add it twice, because we have airport and then airport 1. So I am interested in airport 1. So because if you notice now, so one more time, so now I have two airport tables. So you will notice that this one, and this is the cause of the reason of the error, because now it seems to show that the origin and the destination location should be the same, which doesn't make sense. You can't fly from an airport and also arrive into it at the same time. So for this reason we need to delete this table or remove this table from here, and then connect this airport 1. So I can just say code destination, drag it and drop it here. Now it is connected. So now this should solve the problem. And now we can go ahead and create and work on the query. So by addressing the requirement here, so the OKC departure. So to do that, so the origin, I can just drag it from here, the origin code, and then it has to be restricted to OKC. So the next I need to, so OKC, and then the flight date. So the flight date will be here from the flight on day, and then I can restrict it to the 6. So I will just put the hashtag and then 6/26/2015 and close that hashtag. So now the next is the departure time. So I need to restrict that to only before 12 departure time. So I'll drag it and drop it here, and then I will say less than 12. As soon as I type this and enter, it automatically adds the hashtag, so that's a good thing. and then I need to add the flight number as it is a requirement, and then I need also the AC name. So the AC name from here, and last I will need to have the city long name, so the city long name from here. So now let's run it and see. Before I run it, I need to make sure that I sort ascendingly for the flight department to meet the last requirement. So now let's run it. Now it worked, as you can see, and it didn't have any errors. I hope this helps, and good luck to you all.